welcome back to another video. I have an amazing brand for you guys. Now let me open it up so you can see how perfection the packaging is. Is this not beautiful or what? Look at how beautiful this packaging is. Like, I want to keep the box forever and ever. This is jewelry from Mint and Lilly, and I cannot wait to show you this. And then after I show you this, I have a really good surprise for you guys. So let's start off. I don't even know where to start off. Like, look how amazing this is. So the first box, let's go with this one. I'm gonna keep these bags too. I just think the bags, the packaging, it's so elegant, it's so beautiful, it's timeless, it's classic. Like, look at this. Even the detail in the box. Like, can you guys see this? It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So I have 4 pieces here from Mint and Lilly. Each one comes in a dust bag. Each one comes with one of these cloths to clean the jewelry. And then let's get into the jewelry. So the first piece we have here is absolutely beautiful. It's a bracelet. It's gold. And it has my name inscribed on there. And then if you look on the back, each piece has a detailed circle that says Mint and Lilly on there. So let's put this on. And let's see how it looks. Oh, I'm so excited, you guys. And if you have a big wrist, right here, this can change the size so you're able to put it on and off without any problems. So I have it on now, and I'm just gonna make it tighter by doing this. I don't know if you guys can see it, just by pulling it ever so lightly. The quality of the chain is really thick. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm definitely gonna start buying my jewelry from here moving on out. Like, look at how perfect that is. And if you can't see it, my name is on here, and then on the back I have something really special engraved. But look at how shiny and beautiful this is. So I'm gonna actually keep this on so we can continue. So the next box, this is fun. It feels like Christmas. Just so beautiful. Look at this. So I'll put these here. Next one. Next one comes in this cute little bag. And it's this amazing ring. Like, look at this ring. Look at this ring, and look at this, ready? It moves. So if you're like one who fidgets, you can play with it and like move this around. Can you see it at all? There we go. Look at how shiny this is. So if I put on my ring, if I put the ring here and I'm like nervous or something, I can just start fidgeting with it and it turns. Tell me that's not like the coolest thing. Look at that. So shiny. So shiny. Wait. Hold on. So pretty. Okay, let's get into the next one. Number 4. Here we go. This one is also custom made. It has my initials on this little circle part right here. Let me see. Let me take it off. Maybe that'll help. There we go. Tell me that's not the coolest thing. And this is also a bracelet, but instead of this one being the pull one, this one would just be the clasp where you open it and close it. So I'll go ahead and put that on my wrist as well. Here we go. Isn't this gorgeous? Look at how beautiful this is. Sorry if you hear the noise in the background. It is springtime and the windows are open. You guys, how beautiful is this? Okay, and last but not least, because I'm definitely gonna go back and shop on this website and get their jewelry. Little baggie. And I've been dying to wear these, so I'm gonna wear these all day today. These beautiful, beautiful, look at this gold. Beautiful, beautiful gold earrings. They're like a teardrop, and what I really like about them is that they're thin and then they get thick at the edge, because sometimes when you wear hoops you only get like the really, really thick ones, and I like that this has some character to them. They're different than your regular hoops. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them in right now. Okay. There you go.
Okay.
See? It wasn't so hard.
Okay.
You gotta look here.
Okay.
Don't look here.
I got it. Okay.
Okay, you guys, I'm back. These are how the earrings look. So pretty. So pretty. And I'm back with a special guest.
Hi.
This is my fiance. I'm very excited. And the jewelry is actually my name and his last name, because we are getting married soon. See the special jewelry right there? So if you like any of these pieces, I will put a 20% off discount code in the description box. 20% off, Mint and Lilly. And yeah, I will also put every link of all the jewelry pieces down in the description box as well. And babe, what do you think? Do you like the jewelry? Do you think it matches the ring you gave me?
Yes, I love it.
You'll see him a lot on these videos coming soon. Do reviews and stuff together.
Yes, we're gonna start. So yeah, this is my debut.
Okay, you guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up. And until my next video, you guys, besos.